Back here on a 2004 Olds Alero, and as we can see here, the mirror is being held on by some good old duct tape. So we're just gonna show you how to get that replaced, and it's actually relatively simple repair on this car, so it shouldn't take too long. So come along for the ride. So what we got here, we got our mirror outside. It's duct tape on, that's no good. So, to get it off, we don't need to remove this whole panel. We just have to get this top trim piece out. And it just snaps in. We got one snapper guy right here and here, and then two guide pins to go in there. So not too hard to get that out. Pull the foam. And then there's going to be three nut heads in there, and then the electrical connection, and I'll show you what we do on that. It is a 10 millimeter. Let me pull the camera over to show you exactly what it is. Ooh. And so right here, so we got our three studs coming in from the mirror. Then you got our electrical connection down here. Now on this one, I've been in it before, but I still didn't take the door panel off to do the electrical. There is a tab in here. I was able to get it loose, and then there's enough play where we should be able to get this just kind of just pry out on this a little bit, pull it out. And that's the way I did it, so I didn't have to fight with this door panel and getting it off for something as simple as this. Especially, this is my sister's car, and this is the second time I've replaced this one, and I believe I've done the driver's side once. So if that tells you anything, I'll probably be doing it again. That's why we're just buying these eBay specials here. I think we paid $32 or $35. So it was in the low 30s for the new power mirror. So then put you back on the tripod, and we'll get this swapped out. Awesome. You can tell we used a cheap mirror prior because the studs are actually coming out of the mirror itself. Alright, so yeah, she actually I'll do the top one here and show you. Make sure you don't lose these nuts in the door. I'm not sure if the new one comes with them. See where the stud actually went into the plastic. Looks like she busted it off right there at the stud. So that's why this one's doing what it's doing. You notice I haven't undone the electrical yet. I'm just kind of letting it hang there. That way I can fish that the new cable down where it needs to go. What I will do is just cut it out here so I can have the mirror free. Get our brand new mirror out. Take off some of our protective stuff here. As I suspected, it didn't come with the nuts for this, so just make sure you keep the old ones in there. So, like I said, I'm leaving this here so I can fish the wire where it needs to go down into the door. Our new one on. And just until tight. You saw how the other one had broke, so you don't want to do anything crazy here. Perfect. So, mirror's on, looks good. Now we just need to fish the old wire out. See if we can do this without replacing it. The harness is literally like right here. So you get a little screwdriver, this little cat claw device, I don't know what it's called. Bend that tab up to get the old one out. Let's see here. Get that new one plugged in. I'm pushing. Let's see. So close. So stinking close. There we go. It's in. The biggest thing is I'm sure this old one. So there's a little tab right here. Just getting it lined up, and then it'll literally just slide right in and latch where it needs to be. Just getting some pressure on that, so it will latch. We got that all taken care of. Just now tuck the wire back down into place. Get our foam doohickey guy here. Get him back into place. Line up our pins. Push. With that is job done. And here we go. We have the finished product outside. Nice and shiny. Looks good. We'll get some goof off to get rid of that residue. So anyway, if you guys have one of these GM cars with these solid mirrors, whatever, simple, quick and easy. So if you guys like what you saw, give us that thumbs up. Smash that subscribe button. And we will see you next time.